Alright, you know what? I don't know what the hell is going on with the internet recently, where everything that I say on my channel has been coming to life for whatever reason. But this is the second time the Damon Freier's car has been parked outside of my hotel room in the past week. And I can't ignore the signs anymore. Look at this. Literally parked outside right now. And I know that since I've gotten to Vancouver that you guys have been trying to convince me to collaborate with Daily Driven Exotics. I told y'all that I was too small and that it was probably unrealistic, but y'all went ahead and started tagging them and everything on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram feed. I pay attention to my comment section, okay? So therefore, I'm not going to keep ignoring the signs. I wrote a freaking note. I'm going to go put it on his car right now and we'll see what happens. So I just finished taking B-roll of the car and I'm literally standing here, notes in hand, terrified to touch the car. Like, how do cops put tickets on windshields all the time? I'm afraid that if I touch it, it's gonna like blow up. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this right now. Okay, reporting back. The note is on the car. I did it. It's done. I have never been so scared in my entire life.